Hello, how are you doing today? Just real quick, I wanted to, this is Monica, the insurance solution consultant, and I want to do this quick video because I wanted to emphasize and let you know that the ACA enrollment deadline is, I'm sorry, I'm about to say October. I must be living in October, December 15th. So what does this mean for you? And we're going to be talking about this a bit on the upcoming show, Are You Covered Enough? Saturdays. It's actually going to be coming up at 7:30 in the morning. It's going to be pretty darn early. Okay, so if for some reason you don't get up at 7:30 in the morning, or you're not ready at 7:30 in the morning, which I can understand, I will be ready at 7:30 in the morning. And the reason why is because it is literally the last Saturday before the end of ACA enrollment, which is December 15th. So I wanted to emphasize this again because a lot of people are like, okay, what is ACA? Okay, Obamacare. A lot of people know it by that name, Obamacare. It is actually called the Affordable Care Act. That is what it is actually called. So if you, right, are currently in an ACA plan or Obamacare plan on the marketplace, you have to re-enroll in that plan by December 15th. If you do not do that, you will not have the coverage for that plan. So that's number one. Number two, if you have an ACA or Obamacare plan, marketplace plan, and you like, okay, am I getting the best value for my dollar? Well, we're going to talk about that quickly too within this short video today. Number three is if you have a ACA, Obamacare marketplace plan, and you have a very high deductible, and you're not using it very much because of that, we're going to talk about that too quick in this video. So let's talk about the first scenario. First scenario is you have to re-enroll inside of your marketplace plan by December 15th. Okay. And you get a lot of choices. When you go inside the marketplace, there's a lot of choices. It's HMOs and PPOs and a lot of different carriers based on where it is that you live at. And so it can be a lot to look at. Don't worry. We got you covered at MRW Solutions Group. So that's where you would want to give us a call, right? You can give us a call. You can give us an email even. And so what we can do for you, here's the thing. You're going to love this. We can actually go over all of the plans that are offered for you, right? And we can do this for free. It doesn't cost you anything. It's just we just go over the plans and try and actually get you into a plan that works for your budget and for your needs. So that's number one, right? Number two, oh my God, I'm getting close to forgetting to re-enroll. First of all, don't do that. It's really important that you do re-enroll. Secondly, right, that's something else we can do at MRW Solutions. We can help you re-enroll inside of your plan. And we can also, this is going to be number three, find some cost-saving options for you if you have a high deductible plan. Okay, so let's go into number three real quick, right? Number three says, I don't use my ACA plan because the deductibles is $85,500 for individuals, close to $15,000 for families, and it's a lot. And only time we use it is when we gotta go to the doctor. We don't even try and go to a specialist. We don't try and ever go to urgent care. We definitely don't try to go to an emergency room because we can't afford it. Well, see, that's where this called deductible replacement, right? Deductible replacement basically pays you back for when you have to go to the doctor, or if you have to go to the emergency room, or if you have to go to urgent care. And those are plans that we can craft for you here at MRW Solutions. So, what is the point of what it is I'm trying to let you know today? Number one, if you are currently inside of a Marketplace Obamacare ACA plan, Affordable Care Act plan, you have to re-enroll in that plan by December 15th. If you have any questions, like, okay, Monica, what does it mean? How does it? You can contact us. We are actually going to leave our name and well, really our number and email inside of the banner that's going to go across on the screen in just a minute. Number two, right? And this is very important. Number two, it's a lot of plans. I don't know what one is best for me and my family based on our situation because it's just a lot. That's okay. We can help you with that too. So, again, use the email that I'm about to give you and also the number. And we would, and this is free. This is not, when I say no cost, it's like literally no cost, right? It's no cost for us to go over and basically do a consulting report appointment with you in order to find the best plan for you on the marketplace. None, period, zero. So that's number two. And then number three, right? I have this like deductible replacement. I heard about it. What does that mean? I don't even know what that means. Like, can that actually save me some money on my healthcare costs? Yes, it can. And it pays you back. So, again, see that? The ticker? Yeah, that give us a call, give us an email. We would love to help you out and love to try and find the right solution for you. So, that is it. Quick. Are you covered enough? I guess you can call it note, right? Or you can call it update, voice sticky. I mean, if you want to, like a voice sticky, re-sign up for your ACA plan by December 15th. Voice sticky, it's a lot of plans. You may not know what's the best for you. Let MRW Solutions try and figure out what is best for you and your family and or right? And number three, that high deductible plan as you may have with ACA, let us save you some money on that. I mean, like pay you back. So make sure that you manage to do all of this before December 15th. And if you need some help with that, that's what we're here. We do no cost, it's consulting. And also make sure that we get you all set inside of your ACA plan. So just give us a call. All right. So that's it. I'm at 8:50, right? And I didn't want to go more than 10 minutes. So busy. I mean, this is busy season for us at MRW Solutions, but we are not too busy for you. Right. So look forward to talking with you. I believe it's Saturday. I think we're going to be talking about life insurance, which is going to be a very interesting discussion because a lot of people are just they get squeamish on life insurance, and that's really not what you should be. It's about protecting the ones that you will leave behind, and also maybe even getting cash benefits for yourself while you're here, depending on what type of life insurance plan that we're talking about. So I want to have that discussion with you on Saturday. We're going to have that, and look forward to having you here. 7:30 in the morning, folks. 7:30. So if you don't catch it at 7:30, that's okay. You can catch it later on in the day. All right. That's it from MRW Solutions Group. Remember, the Obamacare enrollment deadline is December 15th. And with that, we're going to get on out of here and talk to you later. Thanks so much.